Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your subscription with Adobe Express. In order to do so, first off we want to go to new.express.adobe.com, and once we're there then you should be met with a screen similar to this. If you have a subscription, up at the top right hand corner you will find the option that says Manage Account. If we click on that, then from here you're looking for the option here that says Plans and Payment, and then Plans. Now once you're on this page here, you can also see that you have the option to select the free trial from here. But once you have done that, if you want to cancel your subscription, then you're going to want to go to Plans and Payment and select Plans. And then from here, you should be able to cancel your subscription. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.